Hello, this is Andre with Tongue Tales on Monday. And today's tale is about the tongue of a person with sciatic pain. Now, let's see what his tongue would tell us. Okay, the coating of this tongue is yellow-brown, which indicates heat. It also slippery, mossy. You can see it almost look like hair in here, right? Which indicates phlegm heat stagnation in the lower burner, because you can see all the stagnation manifesting in the proximal 1/3 of the tongue, which corresponds with the lower part of the body. The coating is moist, supporting the theory that the body stagnates fluids. Now, the tongue body is normal size, but it looks swollen, indicating dampness retention due to spleen qi deficiency. We can also observe that the left side of the tongue, which reflects the status of the liver, is more swollen at the root, right there. But the right side, which corresponds with the gallbladder, is more swollen at the side, which indicates that the stagnation also takes place in the gallbladder channel. Now, how can we differentiate that? Anytime we have an asymmetrical tongue, you can see if you put the straight line through the midsection of the tongue, and you can see that the right side and the left side are drastically different. That indicates that there is a wood pathology, meaning that the liver and gallbladder channels are out of balance. Another essential feature of this tongue is the red sides, telling us the source of this heat. Most probably it comes from the liver and gallbladder. So you have stagnation in the liver, which passes on inflammation to the gallbladder, and the body is trying to purge it using the channel itself. However, because of the dampness, this heat also gets trapped in the dampness and it pours down the gallbladder channel, causing pain in the sciatica. Now, let's take a look at the sublingual veins. They look normal, which is a favorable prognosis. This indicates that there is no blood stagnation in this condition. Most probably this sciatic pain is not chronic and can be resolved in a reasonable amount of time. Now, let's untangle it. Anytime we are dealing with sciatic pain, we are dealing with stagnation. It could be stagnation of qi, fluids, or blood, but some substance is blocking circulation of qi, causing pain. And in this particular case, we are dealing with stagnation of damp heat that is pouring down the gallbladder channel. Now, anatomically, we know that gallbladder channel travels along the sides of the body, and in the lower back region, it travels along the gluteal region and into the lateral thigh. So we would expect that this person will have some pain and discomfort along those areas of the body. There is also element of wind dampness. That's another way of saying painful obstruction, where pain may migrate slightly, or the patient may have an element of numbness, which is very typical for sciatic pain. And therefore, the ruling formula for this type of presentation is a formula that would clear damp heat from the liver and gallbladder channels, which is Lóng Dǎn Cǎo, Lóng Dǎn Gentiana decoction to flush to flush the liver. And the chief herb in this formula is Lóng Dǎn Cǎo, It's Gentiana, and it's an excellent herb. It's #1 herb to clear damp heat from the gallbladder channel. Another interesting herb in this formula is Chē Qián Zǐ, plantagenet. This herb strengthens the spleen because there is an element of spleen qi deficiency and dampness. Remember that dampness plays a very important role in this pathology. And therefore, Chē Qián Zǐ, plantagenet, will strengthen the spleen and drain dampness, relieve all this swelling around the nerve root that causes pressure and pain. Another interesting herb in this formula is Dāng Guī, Angelica sinensis. It's an herb that invigorates blood, but it also nourishes blood. Now, anytime we invigorate blood, it's an analgesic function, meaning that it's going to help to take care of the pain. However, we also want to modify this prescription and make it more powerful to resolve pain, and therefore we're going to add 2 herbs that resolve wind dampness. One of these herbs is Wèi Líng Xiān, Clematis, and the other one is Du Ho, Angelica pubescens. These 2 herbs are excellent at treating wind dampness type of pain in the lower back and also the hip and lower extremities region. Another excellent herb for this presentation would be Zhōng, Eucommia. This herb strengthens the kidneys and the lower back. And anytime we have some sort of sciatic pain, we always want to add an herb that strengthens the lower back. For a complete list of herbs in this formula, please read in the description to this video. Now, if you suffer from sciatica and would like to know what your tongue tells on you, please send us a picture of your tongue and we'll speak about it next. I am Andre with Tongue Tales on Monday, and I will see you next Monday.